welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So for today's video, as you can see, we are going to be doing the Manny by Me monthly subscription box. I got the express kit this month. I just thought I had the polishes. I had like ones that were similar, so I just wanted the plates and the special gift. And the express kit is only $22 a month. You do get the 2 inserts. It tells you everything that's in here. So you get the 2 exclusive plates, the MXM 147 and MXM 148. And then you get the 2 polishes. One is a deep blue and the other one is a soft sage green. I have Canterbury, which is kind of similar to the blue shade. It is darker, but that's okay. And then I have this one, which is Merriment, and it's kind of similar. So yeah, I just got the express kit. I really like these plates, and the special gift is freaking adorable. So like I was saying, the special gift, it's a pink heart-shaped dusting brush, and let me tell you, that thing is amazing for your natural nails. And then the second, okay, so I was just showing you how they are similar. And then the second insert is just an inspo set, and on the back of it, it shows you step by step how to achieve that look. I really like this pouch too, it's really cute. So I already got like 2 or 3 of these stickers, so I'm just gonna add it to the collection. And getting into these plates here, I love this month's design. I think it's so cute. You guys know I love my florals, so this is right up my alley. I love how you can make your own. You can use like the full image, or you can take these little flowers and create like your own little collage of flowers. I'm so excited to play around with these plates and create an amazing set. I'm just so excited. And you'll see on the second plate, it has like little vases. You could totally take those little flowers there and make, you know, and use those with the vases as well. Like these ones, I thought I could make like a French tip with these. The image is too small. I mean, maybe on like your pinky nail you could probably get away with it, but I tried and they were just too small. But as far as just like a normal set design, I think it's perfect. I think oh my gosh, once you get stamping with these just to play around with it, you just keep thinking of new things. So yeah, I'm super excited to make a set using these plates. And the special gift this month is a dusting brush. They were saying that it would be good for like chrome and glitter. I don't really use that, but I really liked it for my natural nails. It was very soft and smooth on my natural nails, so it's very cute and I really liked it. So for the swatches, like I don't have the colors that came in the kit, so I just used the 2 that I think were similar, and I added these other 2 because I just got them. That video will be out soon. And the blue shade I'm using is called Canterbury. I don't remember if I said that or not. And Merriment is the green. They're not like perfect matches, but they are similar. The good thing about the polishes is they will be available on Maniology's website in a month or so. So if I really want them, I can purchase them later on. The plates, however, you can't unless you are a subscriber to their subscriptions. So that was way more important for me to get the plates than the polishes right now. So now I'm just playing around, stamping the plates on the nails. I'm just playing around, just getting some ideas for an upcoming set. Some bonuses that you get when you become a subscriber to their monthly box, um, instead of getting free shipping at like $50 on their website, you get free shipping at $30. So that's freaking awesome, and it it adds up quickly. You can purchase past subscription boxes, which is awesome too. Like say you missed last month, you can go back and purchase it if they have any extra. So I really like that, because sometimes stuff happens, so you have to skip or whatever. You can always go back and purchase it. I wanted to get last month's subscription box with just the express kit, and I just reached out to them, and I was able to they were able to work with me on that. So that's freaking awesome, you guys. I really love how Maniology is so quick. If you have an issue, they are willing to work with you. You also have the option to pay every 3 months and every 6 months. It kind of not evens out, but it's a little cheaper if you do it that way. I pay the monthly, so that's awesome. And like I said, the express kit is $22, and then the regular box with the polishes, the plates, and the special gift, that one's $30 a month. And you can also skip a month if you can't afford it that month, or whatever reason you're not interested in that kit. You are able to skip it. And like I said, if you further down the line you decide you do want to get it, you do have the option to go back, and if they have any left, you can buy the kit. So I highly recommend it. I really like getting my monthly box. I think it's a nice treat to myself, and Maniology products are amazing. So if you use my code Nails by Chris on their website on any other thing, you could save 10%. It doesn't work on the Mani by Me subscription boxes, but pretty much anything else on their website, you can use my code, and I will have all that information linked down below for you guys. If it's your first time signing up for the monthly box, you can use code sub5, and it'll take off $5 from your first order, and they also give you a free stamper and scraper, so that's awesome too. So on some of these images, I actually went back, and I think it's called double stamping, I'm not sure, but I put a full image over the full nail, and then I went back in with some of these like flowers, like the bundle of flowers, and added the base on the bottom, and it created a whole new set, a whole new design. I absolutely love that. I saw them do this on the live, and I literally cannot wait to make a full set using this. I feel like there's endless possibilities. You could isolate images, you could I saw them do like the Mojo Jojo set on their YouTube, and they took that image they took one of the images off this plate that's showing right now, and they isolated this each like flower and did a different color. So it was the same image, but it was split up in 3 different colors. I love that. I think that's so amazing, and I love how they show us that all the different things that you can do. But I think this plate is amazing. These plates, I mean. I think you could be here for hours creating a set, and at the same time spend 15 minutes and it still be amazing. And then the same with this image here. I had a full image on the nail already, but then I went back and added like one of the flowers with a vase on the bottom and created a whole different, you know, design. And I could have added more, but the busyness is, I feel like it looks good with these images, if that makes sense. Like, it's chaotic, but it looks beautiful. So I could go on and on with Maniology's products, you guys. I absolutely love them. I've been using them since, I want to say, July, August of last year, and every single month I'm buying multiple things. I have to get my hands on everything. I love it. But all the links to everything will be down below. All the information will be down below for you guys. Please check them out. They are amazing. Their customer service is top tier, which is a plus for me. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope you have inspo for your next design. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I have a few fun videos coming up. St. Patrick's Day, another haul, and you know, you as a nail enthusiast, you can never have enough stuff. You're always buying more stuff. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.